Happy birthday, Nanny.
And what's that?
Gifts.
Gifts for her?
Yeah.
Okay, and say love you, Nani.
Love you, Nanny.
Have a good day
Have a good day.
and see you soon.
See you soon.
Love you.
Love you.
Give kisses to Nani.
Happy birthday, Nanny. We love you so much. And we'll definitely see you very, very soon. Definitely.
Happy birthday, Motifia! We love you. We miss you. Love you. Love you.
Have a super one.
Bye.
It's a happy birthday. A happy birthday to you. Love you so much, my Charna. God bless you always. Happy birthday.
Many happy returns of the day, Yarna. Have a nice day.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, Moti. Love you.
Happy birthday, Motamasi. Have an amazing one.
Wishing you lots of luck, happiness and health. Always. Love you lots.
Love you. Hi, Mom. Wish you a happy birthday and the best day and great health because that's most important this year.
Happy birthday, Mummy. Love you. I'm missing you too much and I can't believe that I'm not gonna be with you. I mean, I will still come for 5 minutes and wish you, but I'm sorry it's a quarantine birthday this year for all of us. But it's gonna end soon, and if we are very careful, then it's not gonna affect us and nothing's gonna happen to any of us. But we have to be very careful. And love you, miss you too much. Niara's missing you and Daddy too much. So don't think that she's gonna forget you all. She loves you all, and we all are gonna meet and have an
Very
amazing
soon.
time.
I'm sure we're
very,
going to
very
meet
soon.
very soon and celebrate your birthday and Niara's birthday and Janvi's birthday all together. Please take care of your health because that would mean the world to us and that will be the greatest gift you can give us this year.
Love you.
Love you, Mom.
Happy birthday to
Happy
Yarna.
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to my dearest sister. Happy birthday to
Happy birthday, Janamasi. You indeed are a very integral part of my life. The blessings that you have showered on me and Vivan are so treasured by me. I love you so much. Have a lovely one. Happy birthday.
Janaki, hi. Love you. Wishing you a very happy 64th birthday. God bless you so much in abundance. And I'm seeing He's blessing you. God bless you. Good health. And તમે બહુ જ happy રહો અને બસ તમને માણસનું સુખ મળે. Important, essential for you, and you're a wonderful soul, and I connect to you like I don't know. We just get connected so well, and you're like my mother. I can share whatever I want with you anytime. I know you're there for me and love you so much. God bless you. Love you. Thank you.
Hi Charna, surprised? Happy birthday to you. You're one lucky lady. Your daughter and your daughters and your grandchildren have made your day so special and memorable. Charna, what do I talk about our friendship? It's like forever. We have been friends, say about 50 years, and we have so many beautiful, sweet memories. Going to Mrs. Kavarana and Mrs. Daba's classes, going to school, and our sojourns with our boys. Wow, so many sweet memories. Jarna, we have got lots and lots of things to say and share, and we have always been true friends, there for for us. And I wish you, and take this opportunity, Jarna, to wish you a happy birthday. You have a safe and a blissful year. Love you, Jarna. See you soon.
Hi, Jana. Happy birthday. A blissful year, what she has said, I extend to say whole life. And I miss you in walking.
See you soon.
Hi Charna, I remember today is your birthday and I started thinking of all the exciting times we had in college. You are such a great friend Happy birthday, Janna. I will never forget memories of the times we shared, and I'm inspired by everything you do. I will always cherish the moment which we shared and the memories we made together, Janna. Have a wonderful birthday celebrations. May joy, great surprises, love, and happiness surround you on your special birthday. Bye. And sending you a small bouquet. Love you. See you.
Many happy returns of the day, Jarna. Jarna દીકરા, હેપી બર્થડે, ખૂબ ખૂબ આશીર્વાદ અને ખૂબ ખૂબ જીવનમાં શાંતિ અને સમૃદ્ધિ અને આરોગ્ય સારું રહે. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Jarna Ben. Health, wealth, and happiness. Stay happy always.
Jarna, happy birthday to you and a great life in front of you for the years to come. Thank you.
Jarna, Om Shanti, happy birthday to you. God bless you. You are so pure soul. Jarna, मैं तार मारे कहीं केवुज नहीं थी. I love you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Janaki.
Wishing you a very happy birthday. Lots and lots of love from all of us. We miss seeing you today, but we still always hope the very best for you.
Hope you have an amazing birthday even though you're in a lockdown.
Have an amazing and healthy life ahead, Janaki. Love you.
Have a lovely day. Happy
I love
birthday.
you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Namasi. Happy birthday to you.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Janaki. Enjoy. Have a great year ahead.
Stay home, stay safe. Love you a lot.
Hi Jana Masi, happy birthday. Here's a virtual cake for you.
Hi Jana Ben, wishing you very very happy birthday. Enjoy yourself with everybody. Bye.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ.
Hi, Mummy.
હાય જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ.
Wish you a very happy birthday.
હેવ અ વન્ડરફુલ ડે. હેપી બર્થડે જના.
All the best.
All the best.
A very happy birthday to Mami. Stay blessed. Bestest wishes for you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
મારા ગુડ વિશિસ છે જણા તને ગુડ વિશિસ છે મારા બધાના ગુડ વિશિસ છે.
Jana Ben, wish you a very happy 64th birthday. You are the most sweetest and loveliest person I know.
મોટી બેન, wishing you a very happy birthday. All the best.
Jana is my first child. પહેલું છોકરું હોય ને તો મારી જર્ણા છે અને ભગવાન એટલી અંદરથી તને આશીર્વાદ આપું છું કે ઈશ્વર તને ખૂબ ખૂબ સુખી કરે તને ને વિજયને અંદરના આશીર્વાદ છે અને તને તો રુદ્રીના ફળ મળી ગયા તને ખબર છે કે ભગવાન મને તો સામેથી ભગવાન આવીને મારે ઘરે કામ કરે છે એટલે તું એકદમ સુખેથી જીવ દીકરા અને અંદરના મારા આશીર્વાદ છે તારા ખૂબ ખૂબ તમે ફૂલો ફાલો જિંદગીમાં ખૂબ આગળ વધો મજા કરો.
Hi Jana Masi, wish you a very happy birthday. Have a great day ahead.
Happy birthday, Jana Masi. Always be the same, loving, caring, forgetful, funny, like the way you've always been. Have a very good birthday. I love you.
Love you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hi Jarna, we are so lucky to have you in our lives during our good and bad times, and you have always been the pillar of our strength and support.
Wishing you all the very best, good health, peace of mind, lots of love.
Happy birthday,
to you. Cheers.
Happy birthday, Janna. Wishing you lots and lots of love. You're the one of my first friend, and I really love you. God bless you, and I remember our beautiful memories always, and miss meeting you. You have a great year, great day. Always stay happy how you are. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mum. Hope you have a fantastic day. Sorry we can't be there, but promise you we'll be there as soon as the flights open up. Miss you a lot. And in the meantime, please take your vitamin C pills. Exercise as much as you possibly can indoors. Don't go out. And if we really have to go, wear your mask, wear your gloves. Love you very much and miss you a lot. Have a great day, Mom.
Happy birthday, Mummy. Hope you are having a great day and hope you're enjoying seeing this video that all your daughters have put together. We love you a lot. You may be a short circuit, but you're you're the current that joins all of us. So love you more than I can say, miss you guys more than I can even express, and really hoping that we can meet each other, hug each other really soon. And I hope you guys are taking all the precautions and staying safe, because we don't know how long we need to do this. So please take extra care.
We will be there very soon, Mom.
And I can see us having an amazing holiday together very soon. I'm really visualizing it, so I'm going to attract it and it's going to happen. So I love you and Daddy a lot, and I can't wait to see her.
And one more thing, Mom, please help Dad with his Limpa skills, because we have that tournament going. So the next holiday, Mom, as partners, we are going to beat them as usual. Love you so much, Mom.
We'll see that.
Miss you. Take care.
Bye.